Demo board DC1889 features the LTM4624, a 4-amp step-down µModule regulator in a 6.25 by 6.25 by 5.01mm package. The LTM4624 requires just two 1206 case-size ceramic capacitors and a 0603 resistor for operation, creating a step-down solution in less than 1 square centimeter on a single-sided PCB or half a square centimeter on a dual-sided PCB. Accordingly, for this demonstration, we have modified the demo board to include a single 22 microfarad 1206 input capacitor, one 1206 47 microfarad output capacitor, and one 0603 feedback resistor. Demo board DC1889 is a 95mm by 76mm 4-layer board with 2 ounce copper on the outer layers and 1 ounce copper on the 2 inner layers. The voltage and current data are transferred to the computer here to calculate efficiency. For a 12-volt input to 1.8-volt output conversion at a 4-amp load, the LTM4624 achieves 83% efficiency. At an ambient temperature of 24 degrees Celsius, the maximum case temperature is approximately 57 degrees Celsius. The maximum internal operating temperature of the LTM4624 is 125 degrees Celsius. Now we will reduce the input voltage to 5 volts. As you can see, the LTM4624 achieves 85% efficiency operating from a 5-volt input to deliver 1.8 volts at 4 amps. At an ambient temperature of 24 degrees Celsius, the maximum case temperature is approximately 52 degrees Celsius. Next, let's take a look at transient response with 2 additional capacitors added. A second 1206 case-size 47 microfarad output capacitor, and a 100 picofarad feed-forward capacitor. For your convenience, DC1889 includes an onboard load transient circuit. Under a 12-volt input to 1.8-volt output, 2-amp load step with a 5 amp per microsecond slew rate, the peak-to-peak output voltage deviation is 80 millivolts.